it's Mr. Colt Glenn back at it again with another video. Oh yeah, I forgot what we were doing. 2019 second firework pickup of the year. So this is just a couple of stuff I got to pick up. And so yeah, let's get started. Oh dang it, I keep putting the camera on reverse. So first off, we got these little punks, just to light stuff with, just random little punks. Then we got these. We got two of these TNT smoke grenades. Then we got some TNT lightning flashes. There's a little lightning flash. It just come in like this little baggie. That is just a TNT little lightning flash. Next up, we got these two little things of jumping jacks. These were $3 each. I think it was a pretty good deal. You get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in each of these like packages. So those are a pretty good deal. Go on to the next thing. Then we got these 3 things of 100 strips of Mad Dog TNT Mad Dog crackers. Yeah. If you hear something in the background, that's fireworks. Then we got 2 things of TNT ground blasters, 100 pieces. So Daxton, grab another bag. Just put that off to the side. One? Just grab that bag right there. Okay, next up we got these TNT Super Silver Flashes. This basic little firecrackers by TNT. The next up we got 2 of these pink diamond fountains by TNT. The effects on these are pretty cool. Like there's an effect right there, and the performance is emit showers of pink and blue sparks, silvery flower, and silvery crackles. These are pretty cool fountains. I don't really like fountains again. It's just basic little things. And we got Dancing Devil by TNT. It's a little spinner on the ground thing. Yeah, do this. Then we got 2 fountains, Carousel by TNT. There's the thing. There's that, and the performance is silvery rain, crackling, and flowers. Then we got a Cheeky Fountain by TNT. There's the effect. It looks really cool. Pretty cool. Then we're done with fountains from now. Then we got another pack of TNT bottle rockets, Texas Pop Rockets. Then we got some Final Salute Roman candles. These are basic Roman candle with report. Then we got TNT Space Fires, 1 packet of them. Then we got a TNT Dragonfly. Then we got these 2 color spaceships, a whole pack. Oh no, they're all falling out. Oops. Why do these fall out?
Y'all need to water the flowers.
I know, Dad. And then just 2 color spaceships by TNT. Leave those right there, Daxton. Then we got 3 cakes. Last thing. We got a Cosmic Surge, Performance Red Tail up to colorful willow glittering coconut stars. There's the effect right there. Pretty cool little cake. Then you got a Fire Island 6-shot. Performance is 6-shot of red comet bursts into crackling, green comet bursts into magic crackling, silvery comet into time rain. There's the thing right there. Pretty cool. And this is one of these little cakes. Mutants 16-shot by TNT. The performance is red tails to colorful glitters, brocade, crown, and crackles. There's the effect right there. Just a cool little cake. And guys, that will wrap it up for the firework pickup number 2. Have a great night. See you guys later. Bye.